What if one drop could unravel reality itself?
This is the signature of an acid. A declaration of chemical war. They're not just laboratory chemicals. They're in our food, our drinks, our world.
In the scientific arena, these are the champions: sulfuric, hydrochloric, nitric, ethanoic. They are corrosive. They dismantle metals, devour fabric, challenge flesh itself. But some are diplomats, not warriors. They react with patience, never fury.
This is the acid in your kitchen. So what is the true source of its power? The secret lies in what they release, a charged particle called the hydrogen ion, H+. Now meet their ancient rivals, bases, often dry. Most bases are stubborn. They resist water, refusing to join the battle. But one elite faction embraces water. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, alkalis, the definition of corrosive potency. Their corrosion is different. Not a violent bite, but a deep, consuming decay. Their litmus test is the inverse. Red for acid, blue for alkali. This judge comes from life itself, from lichen, the quiet colonizer of stone. So what is the alkali's secret weapon? They release the hydroxide ion, OH-. Acid means an army of H+. Alkali means a legion of OH-. But red or blue is just a simple verdict. What about the full story? To uncover the truth, we need spies, molecules that change color undercover. Different spies turn at different moments. Litmus, methyl orange, thymolphthalin. Some are masters of stealth, clear in acid, but in alkali, undeniable blue.
But for the full picture, we need a master of disguise, universal indicator.
It reveals a number on the universal scale, the pH scale, 0 to 14. A low pH is a battlefield, a swarm of aggressive H+ ions.
A high pH is a silent fortress, a dominating army of OH- ions.
At the center, pH 7, perfect neutrality. H+ and OH- in balance. Pure water is neutral. Sugar water is neutral. No generals, no soldiers.
Your world is painted on this scale, from juice to cleaner. Inside you is a vat of pH 2, your stomach. Here, acid means digestion. It's a contained, essential rebellion. Life needs this controlled acid.
But here's a paradox. Two acids, identical concentration.
Yet their pH differs massively. One is 100 times stronger. How?
The answer lies in their will to fight, their willingness to split apart.
This is a strong acid. It commits fully, 100% dissociation. Your car's heartbeat relies on strong acid. Full dissociation powers electricity. In a weak acid, it's a hesitant mutiny. Only a fraction donate H+. It's a never-ending tug of war. For every ion formed, another is recaptured. This is a weak acid, defined by equilibrium. Partial dissociation. The citric acid in your orange is weak. Lactic acid in yogurt is weak. Same acid concentration. A world of difference in active H+ ions. This changes everything. Their speed, violence, practical danger. Strength is a binary club. You're either strong or weak. Weak doesn't mean powerless. It means controllable, useful.
Baking is delicious chemistry. Weak acid meets base, creating lift.
Nature's weapons are often weak acids. A warning, not death.
That first destructive drop?
A strong acid.
Concentrated H+ shock troops.
And strong alkali is an equal threat.
That's why we handle them with profound respect. Tools of immense power.
What happens when the armies meet in perfect balance?
They annihilate each other. H positive meets OH negative, forming water. This is neutralization. The war ends. Only water and salt remain. This is how antacid works. A base neutralizes excess acid. Farmers spread lime to neutralize acidic soil. Agriculture's peace treaty. Industry uses scrubbers. Alkaline sprays neutralize pollution. This dance paints our world. Hydrangea colors are soil pH messages. From a drop that eats metal to medicine that heals. Same story.
Acids and bases are not abstract. They are the sensations of life.
They are biology's fundamental language. H+ shuffle powers every cell. This balance shapes our planet. Oceans, soil, air, all governed by pH. To understand this balance is to understand the chemistry of our world.